What's up YouTube? It's John Muro here, back again with another video. You know what I'm about to do. I hope that everyone is having the best day ever. Today, we are celebrating Doge Day. If you're having a great day, then smash that like button like it's nobody's business. And if you haven't already, why not show that subscribe button, who's boss, and smash it in the face. The cryptocurrency Dogecoin began as a joke and now it's worth more than Ford. For those of you that drive a Ford, I'm sorry that cryptocurrency is now worth more than Ford itself. Don't get crazy on me now. Don't go selling your Ford so you can take that money and invest in Dogecoin. Look, it's okay. It's okay. My wife, she drives a Ford too, so I'm with you guys. I understand your pain and we'll cry about this later. Dogecoin is grabbing so much attention and really capturing a lot of feedback at the same time. Yeah, so many that are saying that it's absurd, that it's a joke, it should have never happened. Why is it happening? But what's funny is that it keeps going up in price. People are pushing on it. Elon Musk is tweeting about it. So the question I have for you viewers out there, are you investing in Dogecoin and should you be? I actually got several text messages from some of my close friends asking, hey, should I invest in what you're doing? Should I invest in Dogecoin? Should I take a chance? Should I be a risk taker? I want to be an investor. Is Dogecoin the way to go? And of course, like I tell you viewers out there, I tell them the same thing. You have to invest with money you're not afraid to lose. Money that you wouldn't even know was gone. The reason I say that, and of course you can do whatever you want to do because it's your money, if this cryptocurrency was to ever crash like it could, I'm not saying it is, but it could crash, then you wouldn't be hurting as bad because the cool thing is if you took a few dollars a week, things that you wouldn't even notice it, invest it, that money could in turn make you more money. For example, if you would have invested $1,000 when this coin was at 5 cents a share, you would have more than quadrupled the amount that you put in. I invested when this coin was at 5 cents a share and I got a quantity of like 300 for like $3-4. As it began to rise, I started noticing that, hey, this thing could really take off and make some money. So I bought 493 more shares. I mean, my average price is 21 cents, but if this thing ever hit $1, wow, I could really make some big money. Now, in saying that, what I'm not saying to do is sell everything you got and go invest. You gotta take the baby steps. You gotta really learn how stocks work. One moment they're up, the next moment they're down. One moment they're hot, the next moment they're not. But if you look at Bitcoin actually kind of started like Dogecoin did. It was cheap, easy to buy. No one really amped it up too much until it started rising. This didn't happen overnight. This happened over several years. But if I was to invest now and get a whole lot of stocks in, maybe in a couple of years, I could sell it and be a millionaire. The great American dream. But you and I know that those are chances that we're gonna have to take if we're going to be an investor. So maybe you're thinking and you're looking at your billfold and saying, should I really invest $5, $10, $20 a week just to test the waters? As I begin on this journey of investing, what is the right amount that I should be investing? Where should I start? Should I use Robinhood? Should I use Webull? I mean, my advice in letting everybody know, you got to do what you want to do. But if I was you, I would start out very small with maybe $5 a week. If you can do 10, that's perfectly fine. The reason I'm saying that is because it being at 39, 40 cents a share, you're still going to get a good amount. And every week you're building upon that. And you know what? It's not going to jump to $5 overnight. It may take some time, but if you can start now and every week just put a little bit into the stock, you might wake up one day and say, man, I've made thousands of dollars over my small investment. Look, this thing could crash and it's a chance we're having to take, but with a great sacrifice comes a great reward. We all know that it would be nice to have a lot more money so we could pay some bills off. Maybe even be debt free. So if you want to know the honest truth as to why John Muro, me, I invest. I have worked with some people who were a little older who said back in my day, I had a chance to invest in Amazon, in Google, in Facebook. I had a chance to invest in Verizon and T-Mobile, and I didn't want to give a small amount of money to invest in that stock. The reason why was because they were unsure of the outcome and what would happen during that time. It wasn't big. It wasn't something really sought after. It was kind of like, man, you're investing? I can find something better to do with my money and know where it's going. So this all happening over the last several years, people have been afraid to invest in things because of the uncertainty of what might happen. And listen, I'm right there with you because this ain't the first time I've heard about stocks. Every time I've ever heard about stocks in my younger years, I've always let it go in one ear and out the other. But one of my friends has said, and with tears in his eyes, said, I had the chance to invest in T-Mobile and take half ownership of the company at the time. And it was nothing but a few $100s, maybe $1,000 or $2, just to get things moving, just to get it started. Let's just say they're kicking themselves in their butt today with tears in their eyes because they could have been a multi-millionaire. Now, I'm not saying go start investing like a crazy person and start selling everything just to invest and give up everything to have that extra cash. But what I'm saying is take a look outside the box. Take a look at the bigger picture. If you ever want to get past where you're at now and stop living paycheck to paycheck, stop trying to budget yourself so much that you're not having any free money to try and have fun and live life. You want to enjoy life and you want to be able to do things. That's you, that's me, that's everybody. Everybody wants to enjoy life and do things and have fun, go on nice vacation, buy nice things. But as you get money, you must be wise with your money. And the wise thing to do is to use your money to make you more money. So how do you do that? Well, one way is investing, taking a little bit of money to invest to make you more money. I mean, we all hope for that one stock that's really going to elevate our financial career. One of the things that I love about using Robinhood and Webull is that you can simply sign up, you can deposit $100 and start getting free stocks. I mean, how cool is that? How cool is that to start your journey out getting free stocks? In this channel, if I can help you out with questions about investing or maybe some decisions that you need help with, I will do my best to offer free advice. That way you can help in your decision. Look, I know what it's like to start investing. It's scary, it's uncertain many times, but the cool thing is if you sign up with Robinhood under the link I have in the description, you can actually start out with a free stock. I mean, that's pretty cool. Look, I'm not saying to do anything crazy. Again, I know many people that have, but what I'm saying is it's something so simplistic as a stock app on your phone. I mean, it's really accessible. It's really easy to use to start investing. And when you're in control of buying and selling, it just makes the pain less painful. Who knows, you might find that lucky stock that you might put a few dollars into and turn right back around and make you a couple of $1,000s just over a simple investment. But guys, I want to hear from you. Are you investing? Are you afraid to take the risk? Or are you that rebel who's saying invest, invest, and take the chance? As always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button for the YouTube algorithm, it would help this channel out tremendously. Don't forget to jump in on the $100 giveaway that's still going on. I know we can hit 500 subscribers by this weekend. Why? Because you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. Make sure to turn that notification bell on so that way you don't miss any videos to come. Until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.